At the Ramon Aboitiz Foundation, we live by what we call the Bugsay philosophy. Bugsay is a Cebuano term for paddle, a short oar that propels. In this life, we are all given our own Bugsay to bring us closer to our purpose and dreams for ourselves, our families, and our communities. A fisherman sets out at dusk to the ocean. With his Bugsay, he braves the waves and navigates his way. With determination and a positive attitude, he finds a perfect spot to catch enough fish to feed his family and make a living. Just like the fisherman, we all have a role to fulfill and goals to accomplish every day. And just like the Bugsay, we all have our gifts and talents to help us achieve them. Just like the waves in the ocean, it can throw us in different directions and we must have a plan on how to face challenges. And just like the determination of the fisherman, the way is clear when the goal is set. When we embrace our roles and trust our tools, we can inspire others to lead, excel, and serve their purpose. The ocean may be vast and uncertain, but when we paddle together, we can build a better nation.